You can sit down, you know.
We much happier now?
Is that better?
Of course, they didn't change her diaper.
You want to go? Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown,
Somewhere I have a book.
and Jill came tumbling after.
Like all those things that
Jack Sprat could eat no
Nursery
sprat. His
Nursery
wife
rhyme.
could
This
eat no
censored
lean.
nursery rhyme.
So twixt them both, they licked the platter
Jack and Jill
clean.
went up the hill to blank.
Little Miss
Jack
Muffet
fell
sat
down
on
and
a
broke his
tuffet,
blank.
eating her curds and whey.
I'm being recorded.
Along came a
Erase them.
spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
This is really funny. There's no
Old
pictures of
Mother
cats.
Puppet went
For
to the
bikinis, but there's
cupboard
no pictures
to
of
get her
bikinis.
poor doggy a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and so the poor doggy had none.
Like
Tom,
emoting.
Tom, the piper's son, stole a pig and away he run. I forget the rest, huh?
Thank God.